Hold the skirting against the wall and mark the back. This is where the mitre will be cut. Secure the skirting on a mitre block and using a Talon saw cut the 45-degree mitre. Always cut through the face of the skirting. Mark the second piece of skirting and cut as before, but with the mitre in the opposite direction. Always leave your line on to secure a tight fitting mitre. Using oval nails, secure the skirting to the wall, fixing top and bottom to help prevent the skirting from cupping. Leave the nails slightly proud so they can be punched below the surface. Use smaller pins to secure the mitre. Punch nails below the surface.